Friday night workout with the hammer.
I'm gonna start with my right leg. Watch my feet, front and back. Here's the move. See what I'm doing? I'm extending my arms above my head. One foot's going forward, one foot going back, extended. And then on a step back, this foot's gonna come right to it. Again, watch my elbows. And back in. You guys got it? I do it. Elbows in. 5 reps. Make sure it's light, Nick. Make sure it's light. 1, 2, and go. Up and in. Go. Up and in. Up and in. Go, Mikey. Nice. Keep the form. Walk into it. That's it, guys. Relax. Relax. No.
Other side.
There you go. You got 5 more light. Opposite leg. You ready? Ready. Watch that leg. 1, 2, go. Go. Down. Come on. Go. Check. Out. Nice. Watch his feet. Now his left foot going forward. And then he's stepping right to it. Go. Last one. And nice. Very good. Now we're going for the same.
That was lightweight.
5 reps.
Now we're going to medium weight.
Same move. Chris, what do you got?
15.
And you started with? Hey, that's what medium is about. Not that high of a jump. On my cue, you know the move. 1, 2, and right leg. Go. And go into it. Again. Go. Into it. Go into it. 3, 2 more. Go. Come on, guys. Let's see what you got here. You raise it all the way to the top. Nice. Breathe. Opposite side. Left side. Watch your feet. I want to see them going forward. Watch what she's doing right there. 1, 2, and go. Work it. All the way to the top, down. We got 5 reps total. That's it. Come on. 3 left. Down. Come on. 2. Very good. I'm proud of you. Nice. Very good job, guys.
I believe if you want something bad enough, you got to work for it. So I'm working hard. I'm working really hard. And I would like to help you if you need it too. So here we go with the next move.
Challenge yourself, stay safe. That's all I care about. Watch my feet. As I go down, I slightly bend my legs. Chest parallel to the floor. Chin at 90 degrees, going to 45 degrees. Remember, I want an apple right here between my chin. I come up and I squeeze my back. This is the move. Coming up, squeezing the glutes, upper lats. Let's ready to roll. 1, 2, the hammer is here. Down, up, 1, down, up, 2. That's the pace. 3, squeeze the glutes when you come up. And that's it. There you go. Get going, get going. Come on, Mikey. What do you got there? Come on. 3, go. Watch his glutes. Chin down, buddy. What I said, chin down. Watch it right there. Last one. Get down and drop. Good. Next move, Mikey. What was that? What are you going to? 20. 20. He's going to medium weight. From light to medium, we got 10 reps. You ready? Yeah. Let's go. 1, 2, go. 1. Perfect chin down. Let's go, Nick. Nice. You go way back, buddy. Way back. I want to see that sweat turn to a pool. Why? Because you earned it already. You are the hammer master. Come on, chin down, buddy. Squeeze your lat. 2 more. Doing good, Nick. Come on, squeeze. Chest down. Last one. Get down. Squeeze. Ooh. Nice. Next move, guys.
I'm seriously a dad, 37 years old, on a mission to get healthy and help other people get healthy too. So if you need help, I'd love to chat with you. I have a lot of tools at my hands, and I can give you a lot of tips, ideas, and what's working. And I have tons of support and accountability that I can offer you too. So if you need it, I'll leave some links in the description below, and we're gonna do this next move.
On my cue, 1, 2, and shrug. Remember, lightweight. Shrug up. Raise the shoulders all the way to the top. Chin down. And make sure that your glutes out, chest out, as you raise it up. Nice. This is the pace. Up, down. 2 more. Nice. Up, down. Give me one more, guys. Up. Nice. Good.
I don't know.
Next move. We're going to medium weight. This time, I'll make it a little more complex. Pay attention. Gotta get it right. Watch my heels. Watch my knees. Watch my hip. And I'm imagining that someone, Nick, kicked me in the butt, and I got really scared. Not really, but it looks like it. So here's the move. Shrug up. Shrug up. The weights are effortless as I'm doing my heels, knees, and hip. You guys ready? Go. 1, 2, and go. Up, down, up, down. Remember, it's powerlifting. That's okay to do that. That's why we're using the heels. That's why we're bringing the knees and the hip. And you imagine the hammer just kick you in the booty. That's one, guys. Excellent. Very good. Next move. Up by low.
If you need help and want to do it from home because you're not a gym person, I'd like to chat with you. And anyways, please share this with your family. Hit like, leave me some feedback. I'd love to know that you're there and watching my stuff. Leave me comments. Most of all, please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to grow it, so I would love to help more and more people live healthier and better lives. Also, I'm looking for more people to join my team, helping people live healthy and better lives. Team Better You. And yes, so if you are interested in helping people with their health and fitness and accountability and keeping them on track, I'd love to chat with you. So anyways, we'll chat with you later. Bye.